Two people accused in a Central Kentucky cold case murder have pleaded not guilty. Nikki Miller and Cody Hall are charged with murder and robbery in the death of Paul Brewer. He was found dead in his Montgomery County home 4 years ago. WKYT's Mark Barber is in Mount Sterling now with the latest on the case. Mark.
There were no fireworks during the arraignments for the two Powell County men accused of murder in the cold case. In fact, the arraignments were almost over as soon as they started. They waited as the judge appointed public defenders for their case and then set their next court date. Deputies say Cody Hall and Nikki Miller flew under the radar for nearly 4 years until DNA evidence cracked the cold case and led to their arrests. Hall was found at the Hope Center in Lexington. Miller was found at his home in Stanton. Both men are accused of robbing and murdering Paul Brewer back in December 2011. That's when Brewer was found dead in his home on Natalie Drive. Deputies tell WKYT that he was shot several times. Detectives think 2 women were also involved in Brewer's murder. We're told Brewer let the women into his home before he was killed. The sheriff says DNA is still being processed, and they think it will lead to 2 more arrests in this case. As for Miller and Hall, they will be back in court for their preliminary hearing on November 30th. In Montgomery County, Mark Barber, WKYT.
Mark, thank you. And we reached out to Hall's brother, but he says he does not want to talk about the murder case.